I'm going to use this as a bush again. Oh, that bloody bush, that thing that got me really bad. Everyone's so busy tonight.
Hi, Canaries.
Hello, this is Canaries taxi, isn't it?
Where is it?
Yeah, you know who I am, don't you?
No, I don't at all.
That's Paul, works for Beeline Taxis. You stand outside Beeline Taxis on Prince Wells Road.
Why?
You know who I am too, don't you?
No, I don't right now.
I stand there with a fluorescent jacket on sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Right, I don't know what to do now. Like, I haven't sort of spoke to no one about it. But, like, basically I'm frightened. Because what I've done is, yeah, like, I get people from inside Beeline Taxis into a taxi.
Right.
And, there's like 4 boys from London, they wanted a taxi. Obviously they come out for the night out in Norwich.
Right.
And their hotel is near Carrow Road. But what I've done is I went to call them, but they weren't there. But someone else was there that was going the same way as they were, so I let them have the taxi.
Right.
But then what has happened is the boys come back, and then obviously I told them that they were too late night to go with someone else. And then they started like saying nasty things to me and started having to jerk me.
Right.
So I sort of ran off in that. And then they like chasing me. There's like 4 of them. They've got like hoodies on and that, but I don't know what to do. So like I'm hiding in the bush.
Right. Why telling me this?
Because I don't know what I should do about it. And obviously,
Call the police. You don't call me there. You call the police.
yeah, but the thing is, I don't think this is like a matter that the police would want to get involved in.
I'm too busy myself, mate, so there's nothing I can do for you.
Yeah, but I need help. Honestly, I don't know what to do.
There's nothing I can do for you, mate. I'm busy, mate. So
One of them's got a knife on him though, so.
Right, you call the police in, don't you?
Yeah, but the thing is, he ain't got
Police,
it. Yeah, but the
police,
thing.
nothing I can do.
Yeah, but look, he ain't stabbed me with it. Stop saying please, fuck's sake. He ain't stabbed me with it though, has he? So it don't count.